Hello, Conor here. Right, this tutorial for Xara 3D for people that have just downloaded it, or however you got it, whatever, CD-ROM, whatever, who cares, you've got it. Right, so you open Xara 3D up, and you are now like, holy fuck, I shit my pants, what do I do now? Alright, a simple 3D object to put into Photoshop, what you do is click on this one here, where it's just the X without anything around it, the plain X. So now that turns like that. Alright. Now you click on text options or go on Alt Control and basically highlight that and delete it. You have to do this in letters if you want to be able to move the letters about separately. So say if I did a C, let's just choose a cool 3D text. You have to get the right text for this too, due to if you put a text like that, it is seriously going to look poo in 3D, as you can see. It looks like a wrinkly bean skin. Anyway, so let's find a good text. For 3D. Can't help. And it's got to be a sharp text too. So, nothing rounded like that unless you... Well, that's in my point of view anyway. Alright, now I'll pick that. See, that looks alright. It's a 3D. Looks good in 3D in my point of view. But we just got... Who cares about that little line there? Alright, so you can actually just move it about. This is up to you, this bit. Moving it about where you want it. Like, if you want it like that. If you want it like that. If you want it doing a backflip. Woohoo! And then get it in the right position. I'll just say like that for the moment. Alright, now you go on colour options, pick the colour you want of the actual text. There's two parts of this, so I'm going to pick black. Now you can see we can barely see the object because it's a nigger. Whoops, I was a bit racist. Sorry for any black people watching this, I am very sorry, alright. Alright, now then, let's just find a good text for the colour for the face. Blue, red. That looks cool, like that. Okay. Extrusion, you don't really have to worry about that. If you want to decide how, like, if you want to do this yourself. Wait, let me open that. Alright, there you go. Right, see now we've got the lines round here. You can change these to rolled, rounded, square, curved, all that. So you can just sort that out while you're at it and all, just to make it look the best as you probably can. I'm going to pick a squared face and turn the depth down to about 3. Yeah, I'll turn it down to about 3. And you can go on and do shadow options, etc. Right, now to save it, see, actually, see when I move it, it changes colours, so actually that looks a bit bold, so let's just make it a bit smaller by clicking on the side of the text and choosing it. Right, let's try it, let's move it about to try to find a decent colour. Alright, there you go. Okay, to save it, you go on File, Export, save type as PNG, that, and save it as whatever you want. I normally save mine as C and then 3D, depending on what letter you done. So if it's a D, I'll do a D, of course, and all that, etc. Alright, so that's like that. I'll save it as PNG. Then a box comes up, and if you're doing it with me, copy that down there. So you want size, current window size, plus crop, tick crop. You want that as PNG, you want colour depth as true colour 24-bit, and you want options as transparent. Alright, you need transparent just for specific reasons when it goes into Photoshop and more. Right, and then you just save it, and I've saved it to my desktop, so I'll open it there. And there's my 3D object ready to go into Photoshop. Look, this is how you get into Photoshop. You open up that, and then you go File, Open, find where you've saved it, and then click this button here, drag it off that over onto this and put it there, and there's your 3D object. And then press Control T to crop it, and then click like there to move it about. Right, this has been Connor with a tutorial of how to start off with Xara 3D objects and text, and put it into Photoshop and save it properly. Thanks for watching.